बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज ब्याख अख मिनरल परन यथ नाव छु कॉपर। चूंकि इस चैप्टर परान अथ नाव मिनरल एंड एनर्जी रिसोर्सेस। अथी मज आज ब्याख अख मिनरल परन यथ मे वोन तुह नाव छु कॉपर। यथ नाव copper. The copper ore is one of the ancient metal that human beings have discovered. The copper ore is one of the ancient metal that human beings have discovered. About 3000 years ago, human beings began to use copper. We can divide the copper into three kinds: native copper, oxygen copper, and copper sulfide. There are little storage of native copper and oxygen copper ore in the world. Nowadays, 80% of copper is refined from copper sulfide. Copper is one of the oldest metals of mankind. Copper is one of the oldest metals of mankind. Its history traces back over 10,000 years. Its history traces back over 10,000 years. It was mined mainly in Cyprus in the Mediterranean in the ancient times. The Bronze Age was named after the well-known copper alloy. The Bronze Age was named after the well-known copper alloy. Copper was the first metal. Copper was the first metal to be mined and crafted by man. It was used for tools, for weapons, art objects and ornaments. Copper was associated with the goddess. Copper was associated with the goddess Aphrodite Venus due to its beauty, ancient use in producing mirrors, and its association with Cyprus, which was sacred to the goddess. Copper was used as early as 7000 BC to make weapons, 5000 BC to make jewelry and ornaments due to its color. This copper is a reddish colored metal. It is the only other metal apart from gold that has a distinctive natural color. It has a high electric and thermal conductivity. The only pure metal to have higher electrical conductivity is silver. Its atomic number is 29. Its atomic number is 29. Copper has a charge of 2 and belongs to the transition metals. It is ductile. It is easily mixed with other metals to form alloys. Such as bronze, copper, and tin, and brass, copper and zinc. It is one of the few metals to occur naturally as an uncompounded mineral. This copper I told you is a precious mineral. However, India is not very lucky regarding reserves and production of copper. India is not very lucky regarding reserves and production of copper. Total reserves of copper in situ are estimated at about 700 712.5 million tons, equivalent to 9.4 million tons of metal content. Major copper ore deposits are located in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, Balgat district of Madhya Pradesh, and Junjunu and Alwar districts of Rajasthan. In addition, there are small deposits in Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Maharashtra, and West Bengal. And West Bengal. The production of copper ore in the country always falls short. The production of copper ore in the country always falls short of our requirements, and India has to import copper from other countries. The major part of supply comes from the USA, Canada, Zimbabwe, Japan, and Mexico. The quantity of import varies from year to year depending upon demand and supply. Depends upon demand and supply. یُس یہِ میپ ییٚتٮ۪تھ چھِ یہِ چھِ ہاوان یِم کاپر ماینٕز اِنڈیاہَس منٛز چھِ یِمن جاین کاپر نیران ہندوستانس منٛز چھِ أکہِ یَتھ منٛز چھِ ہاوان راجستھان ایریاہس منٛز چھِ جُنجُنم چھِ اجمیٖر چھِ پالی چھِ سرولی چھِ مُختٔلِف جایہِ چھِ یِپٲرۍ کِنۍ بیتول چھِ مدھیہ پردیشس منٛز بالاگات چھِ مدھیہ پردیشس منٛز یِتھٕے پٲٹھۍ جھارکھنڈس منٛز چھِ ہزاری باغ یِتھٕے پٲٹھۍ چھِ بِہارس منٛز چھِ پلامو چھِ یِتھٕے پٲٹھۍ چھِ جھارکھنڈس منٛز پلامو بیٚیہِ یِتھٕے پٲٹھۍ چھِ مُختٔلِف جایہِ چھِ تِم یِمن جاین یہِ کاپر ہندوستانس منٛز نیران چھِ غرض چھُ یہِ چیٖز زِ یُس یہِ کاپر چھُ یہِ چھُ اکھ اہم رِسورس یہِ کاپر چھُ اکھ اہم رِسورس اکھ اور یہِ چھُ مُختٔلِف چیٖزن منٛز اِستعمال گژھان اور اَتھ چھِ پنٕنۍ کینٛہہ واریاہ کیریکٹرسٹِک فیوٗچٲرٕس تہٕ کاپر یُس چھُ یہِ چھُ اوسمُت برونٛہہ یِوان بناونہٕ پونٛسہٕ چھِ ٲسمٕتۍ اَمِکۍ یِوان بناونہٕ تہٕ وٕنکیٚنس چھِ اَمِکۍ کمپیوٗٹر چِپٕز چھِ یِوان اَمِکۍ بناونہٕ اِٹ ایٖز آلسو یوٗزٕڈ اِن کمپیوٗٹر چِپٕز اِنٹِگریٹِڈ سٔرکِٹ بورڈٕز اینڈ پرنٹِڈ سٔرکِٹ بورڈٕز تہٕ کاپر یُس چھُ یُس یہِ کاپر اِز ویری uncorrosive so doesn't rust easily. However, when it does rust, copper turns a blue green color. The Statue of Liberty is made out of copper. یُس 10th جمٲژ ہِنٛدِس اَتھ کِتابہِ منٛز چھُ یہِ فوٹوگراف تہِ بنٲیِتھ یہِ کَمیُک چھُ ایکچُؤلی یہِ چھُ کاپرُک بنٲیِتھ کاپر از آلسو یوٗزٕڈ فار واٹر پایپٕز ڈیوٗ ٹو د فیکٹ دیٹ اِٹ ڈزنٹ corrode easily.